grandchild. Hey, grandchild, yeah, not to go to. Hey, are they ritual? Are they ritual? See what she bought for her grandchild. You see, dear. Even if you are not drinking, not palm wine. Like me, I don't even take alcohol naturally. But you see palm wine. Hey, I don't. Money man over here can join. There's one pot we call obene. Who never obene ba? Mama we obene. We so obene. You know go pay jang palm wine. Okay. Can you imagine village people who we have been a township people? Chineke, what you call
2,500.
No, not be 2,000. What you say? Okay, Akpanibo. Okay. What do you say?
Where she buy it from?
Is
it your own language for money or what?
Na 2,500. Na 500. And Akpanibo. Akpanibo na 200.
Akpanibo 2,000.
Confusion.
Okay, oburu akpego nibo. Joya no ba akpanebo ko ba akpego nibo.
2,500.
Akpanebo.
Akpanego nibo.
Akpego bu 200. Moko ask mama. Mama. Nda. Okay. Echa na no voice. Akpego is 200. Oni magi ya na akpego. I need to go back to
I'm telling you, Akpanibo.
Mom
is not be 500 they talk.
They will know their mouth.
They hear what they tell you. I don't know about Akpanibo, but that's Hanaga Akpego. Akpego is 200. Go bring 200. Go show her. Ask her waiting be this. Akpego na 200.
What did she buy am na 2,500? Akpanibo na 2,000.
You know they're serious. Akpego nibo. Nirina say is 500.
Mom, what are you speaking?
Wait, make mark on. She will tell you how much.
Make I hear they said it's 500, mommy.
Okay, now because of say you know free imagine say they say na 500. That's why you know say then they village the price where they give them they different from you make one. And now the rainy season. As rain fall like this thing they in abundance for this village. You know.
Akpanibo. Say charge you. What is Akpanibo?
That you don't know that thing.
Use voice notes.
More go,
Translator.
now.
Translator.
If I finish your wine, take.
What was all drink fast?
You drink half.
I'm not drink half.
You don't
drink. Una ne bomia.
Pass the glass on. And I need the red. That's why I'm now
I want Natara.
Mama.
Until I see finish.
Alize, it's ready. Village life is sweet. I'm alive. See, we are cooking. Let me show you guys. We are cooking. We are warming our food. Hey,
The tripod is too tall.
It's too tall. See, we are warming our food. In the kitchen. We are warming our rice. Hey, our fire has reduced when we are gisting outside. Our fire has reduced. And this thing need enough fire because it's very full. It's very full. Give me that thing. Cover now.
Cover.
Palm wine fever. I beg, make I go find palm wine for my husband, Jare. Where I go buy sweet palm wine. This palm wine is sweet, oh. I'm telling you, go and keep that thing. That thing is too big. Let me go and look for where I'll buy sweet palm wine for you.
Okay.
So that you go enjoy yourself. If you get luck, you go see. If you don't get luck, that is it. It is what it is. Only say now in the morning they sell palm wine for this village. Oninya, you sure say you sabi what in the house you? In fact, make I go ask Ma where she buy this palm wine. So I need this food to be very, very hot. Very, very hot. Woo! Woo! I need the heat to cover the food round very, very well before I bring it down. We are warming the rice, the one we remain yesterday, so that we can take it for breakfast this morning. So, see my people, my people. See my people, my people. See them. See all of them here. Let's start from Arinze. Say hi to my people.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
See my sweet brother's wife. Hey! Oyirimu International. Oh, hi. Uzachuku, come here. Come here.
Hi.
Come here. See my son. Eh? Where are you running to? Where were you running to? Oh, yeah, turn and say hi. Stand up and say hi. Oh, yeah. Greet them. Wave. Turn and look at them. Oh, yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
We love you. We love you, people.
I don't even know what I'm talking about.
If Gogoshi my panyana, she we love you, people. Oh, yeah, you say, we love you, people. Say it for your mommy.
We love you, people.
Wow. Uta. Your daddy is watching. It's your daddy that is actually watching and somebody else. Yes. Morning. It's your daddy. Say, my sweet daddy, I love you.
My sweet daddy, I love you.
Say, my sweet daddy, I love you.
My sweet daddy, I love you.
Oh, where I go, Kuku? You love her now. Oh, yeah, say it properly.
My sweet daddy, I love you.
That's how we roll. Kaija. Ma has gone out to see my elder brother. This is my mommy's grave. We just came back for her 6 months. We call it Iyipuakwa in Igbo language. But like this, my hair now, I've kept it because of her. So I'm going to barb it now because we finished mourning her. I've kept it like this because of her. So it's time to barb. Maybe tomorrow or next, I'll go and barb my hair. Brother. Okay. Now, good morning. This is my elder brother.
Please.
Brother? Guinea bego. What is a bego?
A bego is bag of money.
Chineke. Ima hear about akpego in English. What is akpego? If they say akpego in this village, what is the meaning?
Akpego is 200 naira.
Okay. Ase akpego nibo. Nirina se ego ne.
That is akpego nibo. That is 200 into 2. Then Nirina say is 100, 500 naira.
Okay. Okwi habo. Akpego nibo nirina se bo 500. Nyanwa ka nna gwa ha ebe ahụ. Maureen no 2005. Ngwa bịa ka ije correct enwunye because she still arguing. Bịa na anya eje.
Mbe akiziri Igbo.
Na ima no nwanya Nsụka. So you go and correct her. Oh, come and teach her your language. Teach her Akpakume. When you hear Akpego, it's 200 naira. When you hear Akpego ni Igbo, Irina say, it means 500. That's 2 Akpego and half of it.
Yeah, that yogurt.
Uzo, did I call you or not?
Name mommy nezezi self. Nezezi all the ka ge polaja. Pochie the other side.
Look at how. I do. Yes.
Oh yeah, make your husband come teach you number. Make he come teach you number.
Oh, yeah?
Yes,
Your husband.
My husband is pronounce it.
Which sabi pronounce Igbo? Gini ba akpa ego ni Igbo ni iri na ase?
500.
Inugo ya?
I beg of 200. I beg of 1,000.
You don't hear am?
Baby, you know, but only ego.
I don't know. I had a phone.
Ego is a different amount. And we are paying. Why you pay?
I want to go and
I know 200.
Nirina said that is 500. Nirina says $1.
I disagree.
Iri is 10.
Abana abon Nirina
In less than 1 hour, I don't do it. After the reach, nobody is just.
Tuesday night.
I don't. This multi way, wait, this one.
Any mutual each for one no choose your time.
Oh, well, anyway, I thought
I like that. I want to know that. I want to book a movie.
You get it now. Why are you? Not even drink my chest is Jesus.
We be sold for 500, ba?
It cannot be sold for 500.
Don't worry, we'll go buy 1.5 now. Me and Arise will get high.
Arise, I give you money, may I go buy for my husband.
We'll get high.
okay.
Don't ask Mama when
If they like palm wine,
Tell me where
we go ask Mama when you buy a medicine.
I beg you go make sure say that is get pot so it needs boil water. You go fix in that.
so una never open that thing.
I don't give am. I don't open the place. I finish go unlock.
When I say we say before we go, I go do one now. We go bring her in pot when you need. They go still lock it.
The beauty again.
Don't know.
When I like them. Hey,
This one you want to do this one.
Oh my God, I survive by the grace of God.
I dey tell you, Uzo, you're acting like a bully elder brother.
Bully elder brother.
I'm telling you.
Iwa nje chakakere ke na no. Ori kuto okwu ekwu. Ibu aka nwa adabe jokwala mommy also blessing Maya. Can I collect permission and beat? Who's already asked, mommy, should I go ahead? You just do. I know maybe one day why they misbehave. I will ask Maya, mommy.
Imana, one day your Gwambo, that is her and Chonya and Chichisom used to do their own. They respect them very much.
The rice plenty like this.
They eat you.
How many times have I done?
Respect them very well.
They have to respect me.
Only great.
Even the Chisom self where they even cause Chisom no they beat them more for that house. Now
You know, even they
Chisom they even look at Chisom.
they talk to Chisom the way they talk to you. Because you know, Chisom, if you talk to Chisom when
If they talk to Chisom many, I know they talk
but
to
Onyechi,
you.
if you know they talk to Onyechi anyhow, because Chisom is a kind person. But the jam on
The thing be
Onyechi.
say, you get the day when Chisom beat them.
Okay,
Go,
first.
go. I can't tell her, say, make she no beat children like that. She beat them, they can't get mark. I think I can't tell her.
They
Say,
may go biao.
make
Nga no na.
she no beat children. You know, say Chinyere, they keep, Chisom, they keep something. She know
Yes. She know they beat immediately.
no. She know
Since
they
that day, she no
forget
touch
something.
them
Since
again.
that day, she no touch them. Well, even if they
They
do
do
big
anything.
things, she no go talk to them. So now what she do be that? Do you understand? Me don't notice her. I don't tell her. Sometimes I go come back, I go tell her, why you no quarrel that they do this? They say no, say she no one problem. Oh, like don't understand. So now be one thing with you.
Who say we no patient every Monday? Before you make back.
Now so did they watch movie yesterday? Oh, I did room. I can't turn. It's those they very loud. I can't turn.
Ask him
I
like.
can't say reduce that thing. I can't say reduce that thing. I can't say reduce that thing. It's too loud. You that just say because you're answering call. I don't even wait me the talk land. I just carry hand. It big way.
Okay, I'm gonna kiss you. Coach.
I go say, who are you now? I said, who are you talking to? Make I understand. Say, he was shouting. I said, make him reduce that. All that's not talk. Now him, master of all nation, avatar. I be Melin. When they do magic, I can't answer him. And the way we answer him, his tone was so rude. I feel him. Now so me man wants me.
Now
Feel am.
so who's got a beat still. No patience, nothing.
He said at their hand. Say they respect them, they don't respect
No,
them.
that is not a form of respect.
They don't respect them. So if him, they don't respect her, if you go inside the power.
First thing I'm Islam,
And
reduce it.
you know that Chidebe
Come talk again.
Chidebe
I can't answer. I can't answer. I they beat you like that. All the things.
and the thing I say, if your man beat you like that, you don't go survive back.
They tell you.
You don't go survive back. If your man
Tell him
touch
it's
you,
loud,
you will
reduce
insult
it.
your siblings.
I don't know whether I reduce
By
or
now, you
reduce.
don't even grow
This is
up.
too loud, but
You have been like
that
this.
be my best. Bam.
I didn't say, "Mona go find me and go buy palm wine. At least more buy 4 of this. Then people where they feel say they never drink, but they drink. Then I keep 2 for my husband.
Mama don't come out there.
Don't come out.
But where she tell you?
I know
But
I don't remember what she talked to you. Just tell me one.
They say that I can't call.
you only had the house,
I
no?
can't call.
Two of your cousins.
4.
Maybe they do.
You think they cheap before?
They did
But
not
you know,
have
So
say
only your grandmother they house.
Those ones they don't travel back to Abuja.
This woman needs person
to.
for her.
No wonder she did dance for you yesterday.
No wonder she go buy the wine if her age they come.
not be so. Grandpicking the sweet.
They gonna go back all the way from where I work.
Yeah, bring plate. Oh, the food is ready.
Go and bring take away from that
Oh,
palace.
bring that cooler. Have you washed it?
And they've washed it.
Oh my
It go be these children.
God. Is there? And they reach you, reach. I had a big man. I used to go get a see him all and he reach. Hey, then I want him to you. That's important. And him alone family I can reach you, reach. Him alone, you don't know my
Elizabeth, do make money.
No, it's very important.
So that by the time the bouncers they follow me, they're going to follow you too.
You get one guy.
Because for this, like,
One guy,
bouncers just follow me.
one guy will come back from Australia. One small boy, one they fit, cause he fit. I'm not Australia, okay, half fish, secondary school. So the guy don't get passport, you understand? He don't marry yet. So he come, he papa come die. He come back. Now I say, bouncers, no gear, come close to the guy. You understand? Small boy, but because of age, coming now.
Whether you be celebrity or not, bouncers, like, by the
Now
time
police
when
they follow him. I also say na police they hire.
me na bouncers, big men will get big chest.
I will do Kiss
Kiss
Daniel.
Daniel type of bouncer, no they go
Carry
police.
pass when you go up, you go in the room before the mother no man can.
Uncle ever like this, as I sit down like this, 3 go day.
Eh? You can marry Kiss Daniel bouncers can I collect up to 1 million every month as salary.
No, but most times it's so like that kind of gathering. Police feed their house, but this one, as soon as they go meme, maybe they come back for this kind of meme like this now.
My mother-in-law has this kind of clothes. Which
And
papa is
those
that?
4, Ada,
My grandmother. My
Ada,
grandmother burial.
Ada Bere.
I get them.
Where am I get that?
Whether I don't dash this.
So, as I was saying,
Bring
Nine-
out iPhone. Just make you feel me
Which one
as
be
I
iPhone?
for this. Just
This
put
one?
am for Facebook. That kind of video.
Take her. This one.
I go tell my subscribers happy Easter. Mona don't chop.
and no be the first time they want moms of phone, but
And the person.
because if not the first time for turn the back. For turn the back, may see the iPhone.
So you go play some.
You know the iPhone will be that, right?
Gently, now you go dey shake am. You say you sabi feel now.
Yes.
I don't say you know the iPhone where you go.
That is a 13 months. This one a 4 months.
Because if na iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, they get dynamic. And now that thing that they find
This
now.
my phone get dynamic island.
Wetin be dynamic?
Oh yeah, oh.
Itself.
Oh yeah, oh. Happy Easter, my people.
Dynamic.
Yes.
This thing.
Let's bash it.
Mama, today is Easter. Mama, today is Easter.
I carry this cooler to the house. Then let me. Oh, look how we played already.
Today is Easter.
Oh yeah, video. The answer. Put am for.
Bring that phone, bring that phone. Take one.
Bring the phone. The one where remain.
So I'm still live. Oh. Let me finish it off.
Okay.
Hey, mommy.
Bring it here. Come on.
Okay.
Nice to bring you this time.
Not that much.
Yes.
Let me ask one for you. I know you will finish it.
No.
I know you will finish it.
You will not finish it. Don't finish all the food on him. Shift
Oh, yeah,
outside.
bring
Bring.
Yes,
bring your plate. Bring your own plate.
Shift now. I'm not hearing.
That's two.
I'm waiting for meat.
Line.
You lie on your head. Waiting for meat.
I call my.
The problem is let's not for them.
Oh, yeah, bring. Mom, you saw do it, I beg.
You go visit the meat now.
I don't know. I go just count how many we did before I go share the meat. Because that's the only meat remaining from that yesterday's food. Woo.
You never do. Can I get first?
Who's that, Chuku?
It's the. What?
You never do.
Now this down of jollof rice, they sweet, oh. Make her go sit down and scratch them. Oh, yeah, go outside. Bring this camera. Now this down of jollof rice, they sweet, oh. Bring that light. No, you go burn now. You go burn. So far now you warming. If you no burn, you no burn. Oh, man, walk up more. Hey, you see this down of jollof rice? See the capture only here.
Now, so you want to content creation?
Bend it.
No.
Arizona fella.
It's your two phone.
Okay.
I can hold this one. Make I show you.
This down of jollof rice is the sweetest. No,
I will drop the up.
no, they like the down.
I see the down there because
Arinze, come test this down. One more.
respond.
Test, no.
Even simple.
Test. When you might give me.
No, give me.
Why?
No, not so.
You know, see, you like her, man? I give you.
I now where this rice sweet pass. Why is it like that?
Don't stay. The ingredient don't stay. Yeah.
You remember so I'm 8. I'm gonna be up on a life. Okay, which you know I cannot you know. Oh, one man naked content. Oh, you 8 now. My own 8 one year now more.
Okay.
She has 6 already. She can't carry the children. Don't add her own children. So they come become her children now because she carried them when they're small. I don't know. Open your mouth. All her content are just children. They cook for
Arinze,
them.
come take now.
Open your mouth. Oh yeah, chicken. Now the way she they use that content. Now to pour water cover this pot, so we go wash them before we go. We wash them now. We not go leave her for you.
Okay, Arinze, the follow us go.
One liver for village. Wait, at least the early morning, as early as 6. After una don dey ready. I don't know whether the village dey bite am. The village dey bite you.
My person I will leave early now.
You don't know say they no go leave early. These people live here by
So far, my
12.
husband.
Thank
So
God.
far, my husband is involved.
My own na me wey still dey go Asaba today.
They bury his obligated God in front of that place. My husband, where village they work, if they come village, I go carry
You
my
don't know say
chest.
they actually bury your oblique cord there.
My husband,
The time I born Ozo, my father go buy Conco. Can't give me. Say now I put this umbilical cord here. So na village they go put am. I carry umbilical cord go village. My grandma go bury am. In grandma,
You get 3.
in grandma go bury am. Plant 3 there. You don't know.
You get 3.
that means they carry my
Umbilical
husband.
cord na very special thing for Igbo land.
So
You
they
see
carry
this
my
umbilical cord. Very special thing in Igbo land. Ha. If you have a serious people that
name the tree after her.
they will come,
So
use it.
say tree of life.
My hands all have 3 now. They'll farm it, name the, especially the first child. They know they miss them. Other children they feel miss the umbilical cord. But see that first child. I know they miss. I get 2 tradition where they know they miss for first child, especially when
Did you
they're
know
boy.
what? Did you know what before you come?
Rotin, not be umbilical cord where you say before it goes squeeze dry.
Yeah.
Yes. If you know dry, you no go fall out.
No, that was okay. But the placenta they throw am.
No, they throw away hospital now. They throw away placenta. Ever placenta no they follow you.
Hold on now.
No only for village. That's why when they're small, they go bury the placenta.
For village.
Mm-hmm. But for township now,
Placenta
now the
and
umbilical cord be the
cord, na two
placenta.
different things.
Now the same thing.
Now the same thing.
Now
They
they
join.
represent the full placenta.
They join together.
What am?
We need to watch this thing put by spot. Where's that? Daddy. Okay, honey. Go put water here.
Take what you go use fetch and make that rice no spoil. Raise this thing.
Don't
Come turn that water here. Make this thing the soup. Umbilical cord is a very special thing.
All of
Now,
them.
Igbo. Umbilical cord is
What comes with your baby?
it's a placenta. It's placenta.
How correct is never.
It's part of the placenta. It's not the complete, just part of it. When they give birth to a baby, when the baby is in the stomach, there is a place the baby is feeding from. That's what is
From the
called.
mother now.
Yes, that's what is called the placenta. That's where baby gets all his food from. So the moment they give birth to the baby,
They push the placenta.
they cut the placenta and block it with the with something like I call it clip. And hold it. If
So you guys should go and bring food for us.
if you mistakenly remove that clip, you will not see that baby again. Oh. That's why handling newborn baby is very very important.
Okay, if you remove that,
You
air
just
will now
expose
enter
the
the
person. Yes,
they will die.
it might have different complications. Might even not see the baby forever. Do you understand? So it's a very delicate part. They
See
just
the baby
clip
inside
it.
the belly.
What I'm saying
when they
is,
don't burn the baby,
when
they
you
will
remove it, you didn't clip it. It can have.
but they will
different
remove it, they will still
complications.
burn the placenta out now.
They will remove it. Then you know that the labor is coming. The baby and the placenta is supposed to come out. But for some babies, they come out with placenta. But for some, they might not come out with the placenta. Once they've cut and clipped that one, they will now
Labor for placenta.
labor another one for placenta. But the labor don't used to be as strong as the other one because big weight and small weight is not the same thing. Do you understand? So if you are lucky, if they bring out the placenta and they have how they measure the placenta, if it's not complete, you might enter theater because placenta did not come out. That's how delicate the delivery is. If the thing did not complete, they know they that are experts, they know how to measure it. Do you understand me? Those gynecologists and so. If it's not complete and you did not bring out placenta, you will enter theater to bring out placenta. You might finish giving birth in a normal delivery, but you will have to go back to the theater for that placenta to come out. But for majority of women that give birth in a normal delivery, the placenta used to follow and come out. So it's only rare cases which is termed complication. Do you understand? Then the placenta will now come out on its own, maybe 2 minutes after, 10 minutes after, depending. My own used to almost come out after the baby. Do you understand? So after that placenta have come out, they will carry that one that came out, and is that one they dispose now in the hospital. But if it's in the olden days, they don't dispose it, so they tie it.
Placenta after birth.
You can ask for those people that are traditionalists. Do you understand me? Because in the olden days, they don't joke with the placenta. It's the placenta that they will carry and bury. Do you understand me? And farm on top of it. A tree that they will call your name and farm. So that tree will not be your own. Do you understand? So sometimes when your tree is not doing well, they will say you will not do well in life. But when your tree is doing well, they will say this person is. They forget that there are a lot of things that determine factors that tree will grow well. Oh my goodness.
She said she dey chop.
When you bring that meat, make I portion and fry.
Own na.
When you bring that meat,
He said he was for eh.
Is it
when
that
you bring
Come on,
that
make
meat,
they share
make
the
I
meat.
portion am. Daddy go eat
I
rice.
like this food. All daddy food don't
Give me
spoil.
the egg.
All daddy food don spoil. Bring that thing, make I comot this biggest one.
Only have them that jackal.
Comot the next biggest one for your husband. This one for daddy, this one for your husband.
Then say no turn back inside the plate.
Put am one side o, no let am because hand don touch am. So e no go spoil our food. Put am for one corner. Then the one wey dey here na we go share. How we go take share am now?
That tap has
How many
it.
we dey? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Why did
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mommy
Ani
wants
kere
to
onye ma
inside
ishi
that
do. Ishi do eke
ball.
do.
Inside that ball.
So ishi reka. Ishi bụ last baby. Come, Chigozie.
Ekara for daddy. Oh. Don't forget.
You wan give daddy eke? Hey. Daddy no know say eke dey here. You wan go tell am?
They say women don't chop egg.
You wan go tell daddy say eke dey here?
You want chop am?
You wan go tell daddy? I fit give you sef. May you reach us 1, 1, 1.
I know they chop egg.
You know dey chop
Mommy
eke.
says, my mother says that is a taboo.
It's a taboo for a woman to chop eke. So you never ever buy gizzard. This thing is what we call is eke. Oh. That's what she's saying is a taboo to eat. So she has never bought gizzard and eaten. Wait, oh, you never ever buy gizzard chop. But that's in a keba. I know they get big.
Gizzard can be broken. Gizzard, you make
Oh yeah, we say get brother can tie and all.
I can cover your name. You didn't like each change the law.
We tenu ke brother.
You go to Munka.
Yeah, don't worry. But can we go to get so you choose go.
Because the meat is
You choose
one.
for the meat gara 1. Ken kinewe. Nka. For nka.
Or in my own house.
Gina daddy be
In my own house.
It's respect. Now we gave you people better meat. Go and keep it. And mom will take. I'll give you chicken.
Wait, there's more in sharing chicken.
There's law now. You don't know.
Who got who they claim men?
There
They
is
carry
law.
gizzard. Have you
No worry. I go eat the gizzard. No cry. Onyinye come carry. Onyinye carry. Oh, Uzo come and carry. No. Arize. Come and carry. Make I eat the small one before some people go cry. Arize. Come and carry.
Chef should be doing food as if
Carry.
motor would plenty children.
We could place it in the pot.
Ota go say million of an
Goodness. Good. Well, Destiny.
Eh?
You see now who's on now. Come and carry.
Destiny still know.
Then who's on? Come and carry.
Also, yeah, the baby here.
Don't mind him. He
Okay,
just
not the
oversized, like he's bigger than senior everybody. But yeah, the second youngest, if you don't know. Destiny, I'm gonna find you look ka uzo chutu. Uzo come and carry. This uzo ya carry for now. Destiny carry come and carry. Man, he's the child ya carry. Hey Jesus. She didn't want anya.
I'm Destiny.
I go to rice can
Arize!
On the ice.
Arize! Arize!
Mommy, it is someone every ocean.
Mama,
He sent me the voice.
Mama. Arize, you carry food from ma.
Mommy,
Bring this one to brother, babe.
give me this in rice, man.
on the ice.
And I don't get play for this house again.
Uzo,
One more, I bring one.
Destiny. Come and take away.
Village guy.
The black one. One and two for that food. With spoon, oh.
Right.
When you go wash this spoon, you see how they put my mouth inside.
Remember, I'm going to meet never tomorrow. I'm planning on myself.
Wait, till I'm cooking for brother.
It's also better that I use some bath I put on fire because I've not bathed since yesterday. After.
So these children will not buy food. They will buy food.
They will bath too.
And then yeah.
Okay, maybe them they will bath in any, but me I need to bath here. I'm not finding it easy with my body.
This is a Fox News alert. I'm Rich
Oh.
Jensen live in New York. The missing crew.
English ways are the easy. I'm telling you. This one, Mama, need rice. Now, cook on can now we rice now.
Especially hot toto.
Now, no, what is rice? You get sweetness. Where is sweet?
Spicy sweetness. Spicy rice. Spice rice. I'm coming. Let me have to cook it.
Uzo, bring your plate.
Village life, all the
want
rock
put am?
is the one them. Cha cha. Hey. Hey. Please, you guys should take care of yourself. Bye bye. Love you.
I know life made Jack with the rice. Okay.
Ha, how bukwara ezigbo ibu.
How many?
Cough.